Okay, so today I would like to talk about this connector, which I baptized Flat Koba. Because why do I call it Flat Koba? We could start with that. The first time I came across this connector was when somebody named Kobayashi posted this video um, of connectors. But these connectors, they have an axial angle. But if you look at this connector from a bird's eye view, if you just punch it flat, then you get to the flat Koba, flat Kobayashi. And how will it look like when it's actually done? There's another Brazilian guy who actually built the flat Koba. Here you can see it. The axial angle is on the strut, not on the connector. And therefore it's a lot easier to build. Yeah, the guy's not the best cameraman, okay. But nice, very nice dome. Okay. So here's the finished result of the pentagons, and here are the hexagons. The hexagons are always the same, as you can see. They're just the left hexagon and the right hexagon. They are just rotated a little bit. Okay, so let's go back, and here is how you measure that angle. That question arises a lot in the Acidome Facebook group, where you get all kinds of questions. So here's how it's done. You just define your axis to the vertex that you want to build. In my case, I want to build the hexagon. And then you just go from one edge to the other. And that gives you the angle, 58.3 in this case. Okay, fair enough. Now, what happened so far? So here's Mr. Georg, from the Fab Lab, doing some soldering. He helped me with this, and I hope we can get going again soon after this crisis and work on the hexagons. So I'm still missing 10 hexagons. So, and where is it? Let's see. No. How do I get... Where are my little hexagons? So here's SketchUp. So I just counted how many hexagons I need. Not very sophisticated, but that's how I did it. I just counted the hexagons to be sure. That's what I'm missing. So, and I'm also missing something else. I also need a connector for down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a four-way. That's one four-way connector, and you can see they're always really the same. So how would I go about finding not the axial angle, but the flat Koba angle? Let's call it that. So we go here, we click, drag, and we want this vertex. We want this angle here, from here to here. So we go click, go here, and now we know that the angle is 63.4. So now we have one angle. now we want this angle, because this one and this one and this one is what we need. So we would go again, we go here, here, and here, and the angle is 58.3. Looks very familiar because this is actually a hexagon. You can see it here. This is a hexagon. It's the upper part of a hexagon. I don't know, shall I color it for you? Let me color it for you. I can't color it for you. I would have to explode the whole structure. Okay, let's do that. Explode, explode. So we're looking at these three here. And it's just a half hexagon connector. So I need 10 hexagons, 10 hexagon connectors, 6 pentagon connectors, and some half hexagon connectors. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8, 9, 10. So I need 10 half hexagon connectors. That's going to be expensive, but we'll do it anyway.